Alright, today we are going to install this kick sensor without no instructions. I'm just gonna go into it. I know you gotta remove this, you gotta remove this, you gotta fish through this thing, and then come down in here, put the kick sensor up in there. Alright, we're about to do this. We're gonna see how long it's gonna take. Try to do it one shot. Be sure to check the descriptions. There will be codes on there and it will be updated per holiday event. Let's see. Okay. I've never taken this part off before. Oh, snap crackle. Okay. Did I break anything? No? Alright, good. We're good so far. So far, so good. I think we gotta take this thing out too. Figure out how to pop this. Screw it over here. Up. Guessing you gotta do it on the other side. Up. So, things they pop. Make sure you don't lose those. Thing come out? Nope. That don't matter. Screw that back in. That don't matter at all. Oh shit. I'll let you do that later. Okay. Oops, there it is. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Looks like this part here looks weird. I think this is supposed to. That's supposed to be on the inside. I don't know why that's on the outside. Yeah, this is definitely supposed to be on the inside. That's for sure. Go. Come on. Boom! This should have been on the inside. For some reason, it was on the outside. Cool. So it looks like it just pops in, pops out. All right. Back in there. Alright, so now you can actually see it a little bit better here. Let's try to figure out where these things go. Okay, so this yellow plug is going to go into, I pull that one out and it'll go into the back area here. See it back there? Yeah, there we go. Got it in. Good. So this fishing wire here that they give us, you're actually going to fish it through. You're going to straighten it out and then fish it through here like that. And then at the other end here, what we're going to do is we're actually going to tape like that. And then we're going to pull it through. Just like that. So you're going to tape it like this and then you're going to pull it through on the other side. So, probably have to get it closer. Okay, you're gonna pull it through. So, all right. So we got it through one area. So what is that? Yeah. This doesn't make any sense. How the hell does this come out? Oh. Next thing is we have to undo this part right here, and you're gonna have to put it through here as well. Alright, so the little wire, we've got it going all the way through, and what we did was we used this to go through here first, and then we flatten off the curve there and tape this together like that, and just pulled it through enough to where this will come out like that. So you're gonna take that, put it in like this. From here, this is gonna pull. This is gonna do something like this, basically. So we got it wired to go all the way down here, and then we got it through here from here. But the bad part is we were supposed to go through here to come out here to go through there, but we didn't, and I don't want to deal with it, so we're gonna do that for now. It needs to go through here to come down here, and then from here we're gonna fish it from here all the way out here. Okay, so you're gonna have to use this to fish through here to come all the way out here. So as far as fishing, we fish this through all the way from here. If you can see it right here, it goes right underneath in there. You're gonna need some kind of pliers or tool to pull it out. We're gonna tape this to this, and we pull it all the way through. Here, I'm gonna try to bring it all the way through. Hopefully it should be as easy as pie. And I shouldn't have said nothing. All right, it's coming, it's coming. I caught a big one, there it is. All right, cool. Just untape everything. And you continue the same process. So we got to take out the side piece here, and then we got to take out this part. Here you go. And I believe we have to take out this other side as well. There you go. That one was a lot easier. In order to take those out, you have to remove these the little clips. Take a flathead, put it inside, and twist, and this part comes out, and it comes out very easily. You have two more on the sides here. Tap. One over here. It should just come right out. Moving on the inside is the one that's on the right side. You also have to unscrew two screws to get this tub out. Two of them are on the bottom there. See it? I lied about 2 screws. There's actually 5 screws, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then another one that is a star, which is this bad boy, and that one sucks. So you'll have to. We took it out with a regular. With a regular pliers, pair of pliers. So now we can take the tub out like so. We have access to the booty, and then now with this, we can actually. Can we actually go down in there? This is going to be the bottom. This will be the top. So you're gonna put a sticky on the top, and what I did was I placed it right underneath here and pushed it all the way in. And now when I kick it, it will just kick right here. My little wire is hanging loose. You can tuck that underneath as well so that it stays put. And that's pretty much it. Okay, for the wiring, this is where I put my module. A wire will go in that, and then another wire will come down and plug into here. which is the button, right? You got that. And then, of course, you're gonna put your normal plug, which is that one. And then you're good. So I'm just gonna kick it where it was, which is right here. Kick. There it goes. All right, check it out. I got the kick sensor installed, so just a quick kick. Comes up. Got a lot of stuff in there, whatever. Close it. You can also kick it too. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. It's like a second or two delay after you close it. Hey y'all, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you out with your kick sensor installation. Until the next time, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next time.